Welcome to the Be142 programming tutorial. To enter in program mode, first of all, make sure you are in off mode. The red LED must blink. Simultaneously push F10 and F9 for a few seconds until the message prog appears on the display. You are now in program mode. You see the yellow LED now is blinking. By pushing F9, you go up on the list of the parameters. By pushing F8, you go down through the list. Let's modify, for example, the parameter P2, that is the mains restore time. Push Start. The display shows the default setting, 5 seconds. You can go down with Auto, you can go up with Test. Now we are in seconds. Let's put, for example, 2 minutes. Okay, 56, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Then let's go, for example, to the parameter P14, that is the generator current warning. Default is off. Let's put, for example, 60 ampere. And by pushing stop, you see the default delay, that is 1 second. We can put 10 seconds. To make sure that you hold the parameter forever, you have to save the settings. To do this, push simultaneously F10 and F9 for a few seconds until the message Save appears on the display. Now, the best option is to remove the power supply for a few seconds until the red indicator shuts down, and then apply again the supply. After the initialization, you can check the parameters. We modify parameter P2, we put 2 minutes, and we modify the parameter P14, that is the overload setting. Exactly, we put 60 ampere and 10 seconds. In this way, you are sure that your parameters are perfectly saved into non-volatile memory. Now you can choose the mode of operation. Could be manual, could be auto. Very well done. Thanks for watching.